Welcome back to the ultimate ride experience. If you've ever wondered what would happen if Mercedes-Benz built a luxury penthouse, placed it on wheels, and charged it with pure electric power, today's journey will blow your mind. We're diving deep into the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, a futuristic sanctuary on wheels that pushes the boundary of what luxury travel really means. This isn't your average RV. It's not even in the same conversation. This is a complete reimagination of life on the road, where comfort, tech, design, and performance all meet in perfect harmony. Mercedes didn't just build a motorhome. They built a rolling statement of innovation, wrapped in sculpted aluminum, lit with intelligent LEDs, and powered by one of the most advanced electric drivetrains the brand has ever created. Let's start with the exterior. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the presence is unmistakable. The body is sleek, sculpted, and impossibly clean. Gone are the boxy designs of yesterday's motorhomes. In its place is a low-drag, flowing silhouette inspired by Mercedes-Benz's sensual purity design language. The massive grille isn't really a grille, it's a sculptural piece of technology, complete with illuminated louvres that respond to your presence. The headlights are razor-thin, integrated seamlessly into the body, and the lower fascia features active aerodynamic panels that shift depending on driving conditions. The sides are minimal but dramatic. No sharp edges. Just pure curves, framed by flush door handles and lighting elements that come alive as you approach. The rear is equally stunning, with a full-width OLED light bar, a hidden rear step system, and camera-based mirrors that fold inside the body when parked. The entire vehicle rides on active air suspension, meaning it lowers itself at high speeds for better efficiency and rises at low speeds for comfort and ease of entry. Now, step inside. This is where the magic truly happens. As the sliding door opens, you're greeted by soft ambient lighting that adjusts to the time of day. The floor is made of sustainably sourced hardwood with inlaid lighting strips. You're not stepping into a motorhome. You're stepping into a lounge, an environment that feels more like a private jet than a van. To the left, a modular lounge area with plush seating finished in Napa leather and Alcantara. The seats aren't just seats, they're intelligent comfort pods. They recline, heat, cool, massage, and rotate. With one touch, they flatten into a full bed. The rear wall features a built-in panoramic screen, 65 inches of 4K display that rises out of the cabinetry. Paired with a Dolby Atmos sound system, the motorhome becomes your private cinema. And yes, the windows have smart tinting, so with the press of a button, you can go from total clarity to full privacy. To the right, you've got a compact but fully functional galley-style kitchenette. Think designer coffee machine, induction cooktop, concealed fridge and freezer, and even a pull-out wine rack. The materials, all premium. Real brushed aluminum, backlit crystal panels, and high-gloss carbon fiber surfaces. This is not camping, it's first-class travel. Walk toward the rear and you'll find the master sleeping quarters. A floating bed platform with memory foam, adaptive lighting, and an optional starlight ceiling that mimics the night sky. Above you, a panoramic sunroof stretches the length of the roof, letting you fall asleep under the stars no matter where you park. On the tech side, everything is controlled via a central AI system. You can use voice, touch, or the companion app to adjust lighting, climate, entertainment, and even the scent system. Yes, it has a scent system. Choose from a range of signature Mercedes-Benz interior fragrances or create your own mood mix. The motorhome learns your habits, preheats the bed before you sleep, remembers your favorite lighting settings, and even suggests destinations based on your travel history. Powering this luxury beast is the all-new VAN.EA platform, Mercedes-Benz's next-generation electric architecture for vans. With an 800-volt system, fast charging is a breeze. In under 25 minutes, you can get up to 80% charge, and a full charge gives you a range of around 500 kilometers, or 311 miles. The dual-motor setup provides all-wheel drive capability, silent acceleration, and regenerative braking to enhance range and efficiency. Driving it is another story entirely. Thanks to active steering assist, lane centering, and predictive route planning, the motorhome offers Level 2 autonomy out of the box, with potential for Level 3 in future updates. The front cab area is a work of art. Digital display panels that stretch across the dashboard, AR navigation on the windshield, and a steering wheel that feels more like a precision tool than a traditional wheel. It's easy to forget you're in a vehicle this large when driving feels this smooth. And here's the wild part, this isn't just a concept. Mercedes-Benz plans to bring this exact vision to life. Starting in late 2026, they're rolling out a new division of ultra-luxury electric vans and mobile homes built around this exact experience. It won't be mass-produced, and it won't be cheap. But it will exist. And it could change the way we think about both luxury and mobility. Imagine pulling up to the coast, opening your smart glass windows, lowering the ambient lights, and watching the sunset from a reclining lounge chair while sipping a fresh espresso brewed from your onboard machine. You're not at a hotel. You're not in a traditional RV park. You're in a Mercedes-Benz experience designed to elevate every moment of your journey. This motorhome isn't about rushing from point A to point B. It's about enjoying everything in between. It's about slowing down, traveling smarter, and experiencing the road in absolute comfort and style. It's about independence, elegance, and redefining freedom. And most importantly, it's about knowing that wherever you go, you never have to leave luxury behind. So whether you're a digital nomad, a business traveler, a luxury enthusiast, or simply someone who dreams big, this is the future waiting for you. It's ambitious, it's bold, and it's unmistakably Mercedes. If this is the beginning of where motorhomes are headed, we can't wait to see what's next. Because with the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, the journey truly becomes the destination.